Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and coming to a PC eventually. Don't look at it now for your main Windows 11 machine, but we have had, of course, over the last months, updates to Notepad through, of course, the Microsoft Store. The Notepad app has been rewritten, and basically it is now a store app that you can get. It's supposed to be there on your system already. I use Notepad regularly because sometimes to copy paste and do some little quick text editing, just using text characters is kind of cool. And it's simple, and you can even write a letter with this basically. But now they've been updating it all the time. If you're an insider in the dev or Canary channels, check out the Microsoft Store updates. Mine updated yesterday. You now have a character count. So not only now do you have a little more features, colors, and all sorts of things that you can do, including changing a lot of the text and so on, but you now can change the font and everything, things you couldn't do before using the app. So one of the features that was missing that a lot of people need, sometimes you need to write a small text and it tells you maximum 500 characters. Well, now when you write on the app, you can see the number of characters. So it tells you here that this little sentence is 67 characters. So whatever text you will load, whatever text you will get on the internet, you need to know how many characters it contains. Well, now it will be a visible feature, small but very useful feature in Notepad. So they're continuing to work on Notepad as this is insider right now, but within probably a few weeks or months, everybody will get it. It's interesting that, an app, Notepad, that has been pretty much stayed the same for ages, finally they're decided that they're going to work on it a little bit. I have to say the updates that they did to it are nice because they do add interesting, useful features. But like, a lot of you are also mentioning is, ain't there other things that are more important to try to, fix within Windows and so on? Definitely. But if you're a Notepad user, I think you appreciate these little changes coming. So this is insider only now, but will eventually show up. Remember that on your main machines, when you see a feature that I talk about and that you don't have it, always go to the Microsoft Store and make sure that you go into the library on the bottom left and that you click, get updates. Because you will often see that a lot of updates bring the new features that I talk about. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.